Good morning, boys and girls. Today is World Kindness Day, and it's also Wear a Cardigan Day. But I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about kindness. To me, kindness is one of the most important things that a person can be. Yes, I care about helping you become the best reader that you can be. I care about helping you become the best at math that you can be. But all of being the best at math, to me, doesn't make you a better person or a worse person. Being good at reading doesn't make you a better person or a not so good person. But to me, being kind or being not kind does make you a better person or a not so good person. It's so easy to be kind, and it doesn't take that long, or that it doesn't take anything to do it. Using our manners for our parents, that is showing kindness. Holding the door open for the person behind you when you're going in somewhere, that is showing kindness. Picking up your toys after you're done playing with them without your parents having to ask you, that's showing kindness, and it's being helpful. There's so many things that we can do that can be kind. Just smiling at someone is showing kindness, and you have no idea what kind of day that person is having. That smile that you give them could be the best part of their day. And how easy was that? Just to give someone a smile. It's so easy. Just walk by people and we give them a smile. Right now, when we see people outside of our house, we have to give them smile eyes, right? Because we have our masks on. But it doesn't have to cost anything to be kind. We're using nice words. We're being respectful. So remember, we talk about how we can believe different things and we can think different things. But being kind is being respectful when you think something different than someone else. It's completely okay for us to have different thoughts and different opinions. That's exactly what they are, is they're what we think. And we all think differently, and that's 100% okay. But being kind is just being okay, being respectful that that's what they think. They're not saying, some people say that you have to think the same way that they do, but no, you don't. But you do have to respect that that is how they feel, okay? Their feelings are valid just like your feelings. But being kind is one of the greatest things because you can do it all the time. You can give it all the time. It costs nothing to give. It's just being there. Giving a smile, using nice words, helping someone when they drop something, helping someone when they fall, just seeing like, oh, you got your hands full, Mom, coming home from work, let me help you. Or Dad is doing something out in the yard, oh, let me help you. I'm sure that they'll appreciate it. Yes, there's some things like the Littlest Pilgrim that we're not big enough to do, but the thought is what's kind. The thought is what's kind. Making a card to say, hey, I really appreciate you, and thank you for making me food. Thank you for giving a house over my head, a roof over my head, a house to live in. That's being kind. And you don't need to buy a card from the store. Some of my favorite gifts and my favorite cards are ones that people have made. People really enjoy something that you took the time to make and design and color. That's also showing kindness and showing that you care because you took the time to make that person something. Okay? So these are all the ways that you can be kind. I want you today, I challenge you, to think about ways that you can be kind. How can you show kindness at your house? If you were at school, how could you show kindness? If you're out in public, how can you show kindness? Now remember, we don't want to just talk to random people, okay? So, smiling at them, okay. But we don't want to just go up to a random person and start helping them, okay? I understand that I was saying be kind, but we also want to be safe, okay? So if you don't know the person, I don't suggest going up to them. I don't suggest saying, oh, you got your hands full, can I help you? Just smile at them. If they're a random person, just smile at them, or you could hold the door open until they got to the door, and then you go with your family. But your family, your friends, absolutely. You've got your hands full. Let me help you. Okay? Or, Mom, Dad, what could I do to help you today? Could I unload the dishwasher? Could I clean my room? Could I pick up the living room? You probably know where stuff is supposed to go, and if it's not there, you could probably help get it there, maybe. So today, take a second to think about how you can be kind, and I challenge you to do something that is kind today. For your attendance today, it is just your check-in. How do you feel? Okay? Have a great day, guys.